Is this professional phone screen glass heating machine the ultimate tool for your repair needs, or just another gadget that overpromises? We put it to the test to find out. This device boasts reverse separation technology, aiming to make those tricky screen removals much safer and more successful. The idea is that by gently heating the adhesive, you can lift the glass without causing further damage, which is a huge relief for anyone who's ever cracked a screen trying to pry it open. One of the standout features is the visible process. You can actually see what's happening as the screen heats up and separates, which is incredibly reassuring. This transparency is key to avoiding those dreaded polarizer cuts and ensuring a clean separation. It's designed to be user-friendly, whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY enthusiast tackling your first phone repair. The build quality here is impressive. It's constructed from durable aluminum alloy, giving it a solid, professional feel. The constant heating feature is a game changer, maintaining a consistent temperature for optimal adhesive softening. Plus, the flexible platform means it can accommodate different phone sizes without issue. They even suggest pairing it with an optional glue remover, which sounds like a smart move for a truly seamless repair. Performance-wise, the rapid heating is no joke. It gets up to temperature quickly, which means less waiting around and a faster workflow. And that built-in suction system. It's surprisingly powerful. It firmly secures the device, and the dual suction cups on the base provide an ultra-stable grip on your workbench. This stability is crucial for those delicate maneuvers required for screen removal. Overall, this heating machine seems to deliver on its promises. It combines advanced technology with a robust build and user-friendly features, making phone screen repairs significantly less daunting. It's a tool that genuinely enhances the repair process, offering precision and protection. For anyone serious about phone repair, this is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.